Insulating concrete form is a construction system that combines the insulating quality of expanded polystyrene with the structural sturdiness of concrete. ICFs are easily assembled to build both foundation as well as the upper floor walls. Concrete is simply poured inside the ICFs once installed.
Les avantages de construire avec le système Big Block de Polycrete, c'est d'abord et avant tout d'avoir une isolation supérieure avec l'apport du béton, d'avoir une construction solide et d'avoir une construction excessivement durable, d'où les économies de chauffage et de climatisation qui sont très importantes.
The installer has to make sure that the diagonal limit measurements are settled accordingly to Polycrete System's provided plan. The foundation footing must be perfectly leveled with an overall tolerance of plus or minus quarter of an inch. The footing must contain a key or any other form of mechanical attachment to ensure a perfect connection between the footing and the foundation walls, such as steel dowels. Starting base exterior perimeter drawing with a chalk line. Starting base corner cutting with the appropriate cutoff. Starting base fixation with concrete nails or ramset gun type. The nails have to be put 2 feet apart, alternately on each starting base side. It is recommended to install the starting base the day after footing pouring. Nails will penetrate better in a fresh concrete.
L'avantage pour travailler avec une compagnie comme Polycrete, c'est une compagnie qui offre un produit qui est le plus gros bloc sur le marché. La seule compagnie qui offre des tirants en acier à l'intérieur, ce qui fait un coffrage isolant qui est très résistant. Aussi, elle offre une coupe prénumérotée en usine qui nous permet d'assembler des maisons comme celle-ci en une journée.
Big block first row installation. At starting point, first corner, insert a 2.5-inch polystyrene piece guide to leave the necessary space for the last block. Then, proceed with the first block row installation. In order to avoid any space between 2 blocks, the installer must install 2 joint hooks at each upper part panel junction. Interior wooden corner preparation. Installation is made of 2 wooden strips set at 90 degrees. Exterior aluminum corner guide setting after first row installation. 1-inch by 3-inch wooden braces are installed at 2/3 of the foundation height, or ICF assembly, and attach from the starting base or last row of the previously poured ICF assembly. In the case of a T-wall, we recommend to install 1 aluminum corner guide on each side of the T intersection. When the corners are closed back, the upper portion of the aluminum corners have to be attached together. Interior wooden corners are screwed to each insulated panel screwing points with 3-inch number 8 screws. This is providing a solid assembly at level point of the Polycrete walls. Horizontal rebars are installed on each block row. The scaffold installation starts 2 feet from inner wall intersection and every 5 feet subsequently. Scaffolds should be installed on each opening side. It is recommended to attach scaffolds to all block screwing points with 3-inch number 8 screws. The scaffold attachment to the starting base requires 1 1/4 inch number 8 screws. For T-walls, it is recommended to place a scaffold on the exterior wall at the opposite side of the intersection. For polyconcrete wall assembly with 8-inch concrete thickness or more, it is recommended to put scaffolds at each outer corner sides. Aluminum or wooden corner guides must be fixed to each screwing point with 2 3-inch number 8 screws. The screwing points are represented by the horizontal lines on the big block. Each aluminum corner guide is fixed to the starting base with 1 1/4 inch number 8 screw. Corner wooden strip bracings have to be fixed to each screwing point with 3-inch number 8 screws. Scaffold vertical adjustments at level point must be done before concrete pouring. Level point should be slightly tilted towards scaffolding side. Vertical rebars installation. If there is more than one Polycrete ICF concrete pouring, make sure that previous rebars exceed the last row top to ensure construction strength. This should be made according to the building code. Wood frame bucks are strongly fixed on their interior and exterior perimeters with wooden strips with 4.5-inch number 8 screws or with metallic washers using 4-inch number 8 screws. Details on wood frame buck assemblies are available in the installation manual on our PolycreteInstall.com website. The topper block row is attached to the previous one with wooden strips on the exterior of the wall or with anti-lifting rods into the formwork. Joist hangers must be installed accordingly to manufacturer's specifications, available on PolycreteInstall.com website. Be sure to complete manufacturer's checklist before concrete pouring. This checklist is available on our PolycreteInstall.com website in Big Block Installation Manual section. Concrete formula should be 25 MPa combined with 14 mm aggregates and super plasticizer to reach desired slump from 6 to 8 inches. Concrete pump must have a 90-degree flow valve with 3-inch reducer for easy pouring. The concrete can be vibrated if required. Once concrete is poured, proceed with wall's final alignment. It is important to clean the base and walls from all concrete residues to ensure optimal adhesion of the waterproof membrane. Scaffolding equipment dismantling can be made 24 hours after concrete pouring. Located horizontally at the top of the adhesive membrane Another membrane overlaps the adhesive waterproof membrane by half his size in order to ensure a connection with the different exterior finishes.
Well, it's all right, riding around in the breeze. Well, it's all right, if you live the life you please. Well, it's all right, doing the best you can. Well, it's all right, as long as you lend a hand.
You can sit around and wait for the phone to ring, waiting for someone to tell you everything. Sit around and wonder what tomorrow will bring. Maybe a diamond ring.
Well, it's all right, even if they say you're wrong. Well, it's all right, sometimes you gotta be strong. Well, it's all right, as long as you got somewhere to lay. Well, it's all right, every day is Judgment Day.
Maybe somewhere down the road away,
At the end of the line,
you'll think of me and wonder where I am these days.
at the end of the line,
Maybe somewhere down the road when somebody plays
at the end of the line.
Purple Haze.
Well, it's all right, even when push comes to shove. Well, it's all right, if you got someone to love. Well, it's all right, everything will work out fine. Well, it's all right, we're going to the end of the line.
Don't have to be ashamed of the car I drive.
The end of the line,
I'm just glad to be here, happy to feel that.
the end of the line,
And it don't matter if you're by my side,
the end of the line.
I'm satisfied.
Well, it's all